Hello everyone, this is my review of the Nintendo Switch gaming console. This is a pretty compact, small gaming console that you can take with you. It has a kickstand here in the back that you can flip out and put out so you can prop it up. You can disconnect these side pads like this, and you can disconnect the other one on the other side so you can remote play it. You don't have to have the whole thing in your hand, just holding the pads if you just want to hold the small pads in either hand. I'll show you, you have your game ports here and your on and off switches here and your volume switches there. My niece really loves this console, and I hope this review helps.